Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle. I'm Keroy King, author of Divine Soul Whispers. I'm following on with this series of reading you some poems from my book, Divine Soul Whispers. And I remember the level of encouragement I got when I'm writing these poems, right? These poems come with an energy and an essence. And for those who are diligent readers, you get a message out of a message out of a message. There is a depth to them. So some may read them as stories, others may want to find the golden nuggets within. And this poem is one of those. Follow me. Uh-huh. You can follow me on social media, but this kind of follow me is a different kind. This is where you follow your gut feeling, the Holy Spirit in you. You follow that instinct, that little whisper that says, go here, go there, leave that, do this and do that. That one is a special kind of follow me. All right, let's do this. I whisper in gentleness like a soft feather floating around the oceans. This is the way to go. Mhm. It may be dark and lonely, a path less traveled, but it's the best path for you. Follow me. I can see your future. Follow me. I know the destined path. Follow me. I know where to find the missing pieces. Follow me. I'm the voice of your soul. Follow me. I have been down this road before. Follow me. You are in good hands, well protected, well guided, well provided for. Follow me. I am gentle and kind, soft spoken and truthful. Follow me. I will lead you back home to yourself. Follow me. Ah, this poem is so beautiful. This is the journey of following your heart. It always directs you back to yourself, reminding you that greater is He within you than whatever is happening outside. So follow your heart. Follow me. I've taken this road before. It may be dark and lonely. The path may be narrow. Follow me. You know? Yeah, and we know with life, our journey through life is quite unique from everyone else. You may have to do moves and take moves and take on decisions that people around you had never done before. But you know it's the right thing for you to do. You should do that. I feel like reading it again. Should we? Okay. Follow me. I whisper in gentleness, like a soft feather floating around the ocean. This is the way to go. It may be dark and lonely, a path less traveled, but it's the best path for you. Follow me. I can see your future. Follow me. I know the destined path. Follow me. I know where to find the missing pieces. Follow me. And the voice of your soul. Follow me. I have been down this road before. Follow me. You are in good hands. Well protected, well guided, well provided for. Follow me. I am gentle and kind, soft spoken and truthful. Follow me. I will lead you back home to yourself. As always, this is Keroy King, author of Divine Soul Whispers. I'll talk to you soon.